The night is fast spent. The day is at hand. Let us therefore cast off the works of darkness and let us put on the armor of light. 1 Corinthians chapter 7, 29 to 31 says, "But this I say, brethren, the time is short. It remaineth that both they that have wives be as though they had none, and they that weep as though they wept not, and they that rejoice as though they rejoiced not, and they that buy as though they possessed not, and they that use this word as not abusing it. For the fashion of this world passes away." This scripture serves as a warning that we are in the last days. The end of the days is nearer than we can imagine. The trumpet will soon sound. It can be the next moment.